Pythagorean theorem is a formula that was discovered to identify the sides of right triangles. Stop it. Shit. A man named Pythagoras figured out that if a triangle had a 90-degree angle and you turned it into a square on each of the three sides, then the biggest square would have the exact same area as the other two squares combined. To find the Pythagorean theorem, you need to use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. When you are given two sides of a triangle, you need to plug in the two sides into the formula and find the missing variable. C is always the hypotenuse, and A and B are always the sides. The hypotenuse is always directly across from the right angle. In right triangles, there is always one hypotenuse. An example is 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16, and 2 squared is 4. 16 plus 4 equals c squared. 20 equals c squared.
Shit, what the fuck am I doing?
An example is 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16, and 2 squared is 4. 16 plus 4 equals c. 20 equals c squared. Find the square root of 20. Find the square root of 20, which is 4.5. B equals 6.
Find the square root of 28, which is 5.3. So A equals 5.3. To prove the theorem, we made a right triangle with a height of 4 and a base of 3. Next, we took the remaining A, C, and C and cut them off the triangle. We had that. After that, we glued down A and B. To prove the theorem, we drew a triangle with a height of 4 and a base of 3. Next, to each side of the triangle, we attached squares A, B, and C. We took the remaining squares and cut them out and got A, square B,